Carmelita from Elite Professionals, and I welcome you. Whether you're just starting a business or you've been at it things all over the place, you're in the right spot. Some people come to us with a great idea, but have no clue where to start. Others are already in business, have an LLC, but don't have a structure. Paperwork's wrong. Compliance is out of its wax. It's not where it should be. The truth is, business isn't just about having a passion to do something. It's also about having that right foundation, that structure. And that's why we created Simple Start. It's a done-for-you start, handles the core of your business setup or cleans up what you already have in place. The LLC filings, EIN, compliance, operating agreements, all of those things, the important stuff that you just don't want to miss. And we just don't file and disappear. We guide you step by step because no one should feel like they have to figure this out alone. So whether you're launching something brand new or finally trying to get your existing business organized, we've got you. Schedule your Simple Start strategy session to get started today. You've already done the hard work. You decided to build a business. You found a lead. So now let's help you build it the right way because you need a lead.